Okay, here's a video on lesson 95, measures of central tendency. Just some short notes, the median, mean, and mode of a data set. So the median is the middle number when you order from least to greatest. So you have to order from least to greatest first, and then it's the middle number. The mean is the average. You have the values, then divide by the number of values, and the mode is the value that appears most often. Now, the thing that is new, and I'm going to scroll through today's notes, is question 10, standard deviation. Now, standard deviation is a measure of how spread out a data set's values are. So the formula is sigma, which is the standard deviation, that's a lowercase sigma, is equal to the square root of the sum of all, the summation of all values, x minus mu, which is the mean, squared, divided by n minus 1, where this is the standard deviation, mu is the mean, n is the number of values in the set, and x is each value. So essentially what we're doing is for every value, we subtract the mean from it, and then we square it. And then when we get all those, we add them all up, we divide them by one less than the number of values, and then we square root the whole thing. But I'm going to show you how to do it with a calculator because I think it's quite a lot easier, and we are allowed to use TI-83s or 84s on all of our testing. So I'm going to do one example for you on finding the mean and the standard deviation, and I will pull one from the back. Now the question says, find the median, find the mean, and then find the standard deviation for Gene's exams for each subject. Now I'm just going to do one subject, no favoritism, but I'm going to pick his 5 mathematics tests, which are these 5 grades here. So in order, he got a 96, 97, 98, 99, and another 98. Okay, so here's how we find the median, the mean, and the standard deviation using the calculator. We go to our calculator. I know mine is split in half, but you should get the idea. So I'm going to hit Stat, and I'm going to hit Enter to go to Edit. I'm going to clear out all the stuff in my lists. So the way you clear is you go up to the top, and you hit Clear, Enter. Go up to the top, and hit Clear, Enter. Go up to the top, and hit Clear, Enter. It's important that you don't hit Delete. Delete is not the same thing as Clear. So now, here are his values. 96, 97, 98, 98, and 99. And it doesn't matter if you put them in size order. It doesn't matter at all. Now, once we have all our data in here, and you could actually put in his L2 data if you wanted at the same time, but I'm just going to do one for example's sake. I'm going to quit out to the main screen. Quit is right here. So second mode, we'll quit out. Now I can find median, mean, and standard deviation all under the same menu. Second, stat. That's the list functions. You'll see it says list right here. So I'm going to go over to math, and you'll find median is option 4. And I want the median of list 1, which can be found right above the 1 button. So second 1 will give me the median of L1. I'm going to go back to the same menu. So second stat. Go over, find the mean of second 1 for L1. And now the standard deviation. Second stat, go over to math. Go down to option 7 for STD-DEV, that's standard deviation. Enter. And you're going to choose standard deviation of list 1. Enter. So depending on how you want to round, because the question doesn't specify, I would write 98, 97.6, and 1.14. That's just for mathematics, by the way. And now here were your 2 scenarios for your homework questions. So if you have any issues with that, you need to do it manually, good luck. You could always look up a video from someone else on how to find standard deviation manually. So good luck. See you in class tomorrow.